Hello everyone, welcome to Google Chrome tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can you enable or disable the UI controls related to tabs in Google Chrome. So first of all, let's see what is the thing that I'm talking about. So suppose this is my Chrome browser. It is actually my Chrome browser. So suppose I just search for anything, let's say tech. So what happens over here is I get some videos. If I just play this video, then what happens, it will just play on YouTube. Okay, and I click on a new tab to open up a new tab. So what happens when this video is getting played, I am getting this kind of a option. Let me just stop this video for a second. I'm getting this kind of a speaker icon. That is the UI that I'm getting. So if this video is getting played and I want to just mute it over here, so how do I do that? The thing is that I have to right click over here and there is this mute side option. Then this would be muted, and this is the icon, this is the UI icon that I am getting to see. In case you are not getting this, so in this tutorial we will be discussing how to enable this icon onto your tabs, onto your Google Chrome. So the process is pretty simple. All you need to do is open up your Google Chrome browser and type in Chrome this :2/ and then type in the word flags. So flags are actually a bunch of customizing flags that are provided in Chrome that you can enable or disable as per your wish, just to make your Chrome a little bit more customizable. So in the flags, what we are going to do is we are going to search for this mute option. So there is the search bar. Let's just type in mute. So what do we get over here is tab audio muting UI control. When enabled, the audio indicators in the tab strip double as tab audio mute control. So on all of these operating systems you can actually use them. So by default all the settings would be default. If you want to enable it, just click on enabled. Then it would ask you to relaunch Chrome. Then you can relaunch it and you will see that you would be able to control your tab using this UI. So let's just test it by relaunching our Chrome browser. Alright, so now my Chrome has been relaunched. Let's just test it again. We have just played this video, so let's just bring it and open up a new tab. So let's just wait for this video to start playing and then we can test it. So right now you can see this is the mute button. If I just click on that, then this mute has been disabled. Again, if I just click on that, so this muting has been enabled. So this is how I can control it directly using the tab. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.